In a small town in New Mexico, people hear a sound that almost no one can explain. They call it the Taos Hum, a low, droning noise heard by only a fraction of residents. Some describe it as an engine idling, others as a distant vibration deep in the earth. Scientists studied the town but found no clear source of the sound. To some, it's caused by secret government projects. To others, something far stranger. Why can only certain people hear the hum? And what's really behind the mystery of Taos?
This is Fact and Fear.